Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this wig from Isaac Hair on Amazon. This is the 18-inch curly headband wig. You guys, look at the quality of this wig. I love it. It's just wavy curly type of texture. So I really love this. I love the length that it is 18 inches. You guys know I love hair on the longer side. I did go ahead and put some hair over to the side. You guys can do that for this type of look. The mirror. You guys can just have it go all the way back. You guys know I do simple hairstyles. Then just strap, pony to the side. I love this, but I do with these like putting the hair over to the side for this type of look. I love that. Over to the side like this, or like hair back like that. So I love this hair. You guys can see the back, how long it is. I just really love it. And of course, with these type of wigs, you can leave your own hair out to blend it to make it look a little bit more natural. With the baby hairs, you guys already know I don't do that on my channel, so I just like wearing it. Throw on the headband, you're ready to go. Just like this hairstyle done, ready to head out the door. And don't really have to do much to it. So I absolutely love this. If you guys are interested in this headband wig, I will leave the link below. Let me know what you guys think about it. What are your thoughts on headband wigs? I love them personally, just super quick and easy. A very simple person, so it's perfect for me. So guys, this is the Isaac curly headband wig. It is a synthetic, glueless, heat resistant headband wig. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I had to check the hair out of the packaging. I love that these brands always put eyelashes in the package. So here's some eyelashes, love that. They also provide a wig cap in a neutral color. Love the headband. It comes with this cheetah headband. I am absolutely in love with it. And let's go ahead and take the netting and paper off right out of the pack. Just great quality. Like I said, it is heat resistant. You can straighten it. I just love how it looks. It does have the adjustable strap right here. It has the comb at the bottom, comb at the top, and combs on these sides. As you guys can see, one right there and one right there. I put the flash on so you guys could get a better look at the quality. Look at this, you guys. As always, if you guys enjoyed this, make sure to thumbs it up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.